Alright, this is a take 2 because pencil sharpener ate half of my pencil. It's something I normally experience. Okay, so speaking of not typical, I don't normally color on the graphics, but this is less of a chart and more of a lot of information packed into tiny boxes. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight through it. Probably be a short video. Medically important viruses. Let's start with the DNA viruses. Single-stranded. Trying to figure out where to hold the phone in this particular one. Parvo, B19, fist disease, aka slap cheek. That's single-stranded. Alright, DNA, double-stranded. Starting with the naked viruses, we've got HPV, types 16 and 18, cause cervical cancer. Adeno-pharyngitis conjunctivitis, polyoma, JC and BC viruses cause demyelination and UTI, respectively. Okay, the enveloped double-stranded DNA virus. We've got hepatDNA, hepatitis B. Pox, like smallpox and molluscum. Herpes. We've got HSV1 is oral, not anymore. HSV2 is genital, but not anymore, but we have to know it for the test. Varicella zoster, which is chicken pox, and herpes zoster. EBV, mononucleosis, CMV, meningitis and AIDS, roseola infantum, Kaposi sarcoma, and AIDS. So sad. Okay, RNA. Here we go. Double-stranded. Icosahedral, non-enveloped. It's hard. Do I say enveloped or enveloped? Okay. REO, respiratory, enteric, orphan, rotavirus, diarrhea in infants. RNA, single-stranded. Positive sense. Non-enveloped, icosahedral. Calici-Norwalk virus and Hep E, picoRNA. Polio, meningitis, rhinovirus, Coxsackie, diarrhea, hand, foot, mouth, Hep A. Here we are, RNA, single-stranded, positive sense, enveloped, icosahedral. I'm just going to say I don't think this is the chart for me, but we will just keep going with it. So, RNA, single-stranded, positive sense, icosahedral, Flavi, Hep C, yellow fever, dengue fever, West Nile fever, St. Louis encephalitis, retrovirus like HIV, toga, rubella, V and V. And then positive sense enveloped helical, corona, like the common cold, SARS, and MERS. Then let's go up to RNA single-stranded negative sense. And we have Bunya, I don't know if I'm saying that right, California equine, encephalitis, and Congo fever. Rhina, Lassa fever, Delta, Hep D, Paramyxo, mumps and measles, Rhabdo, rabies, Orthomyxo, HN types of influenza, Philo, Ebola fever. Okay, and then we go down to general rules. All viruses are RNA, except those which are very happy to be DNA. Oh my gosh, that's funny. That's where the letter highlights came in. All RNA viruses are single-stranded except the ariovirus. All single-stranded RNA viruses are positive sense except bad prof group. All the hepatitis viruses are spread by oral fecal except B and C, which are spread by blood and sex. All the DNA viruses are double-stranded except parvo. Here are the numbered diseases. Measles is 1, scarlet fever is 2, German measles is 3, Dukes is 4, 5th is slap cheek, and 6th is roseola infantum. Definitely focused on this in school. 5th being slap cheek, 6th being roseola infantum. Alright, that's it for that short video. Let's take one more look at this really complex chart. And